Howdy YouTube. Trying to do a bit of a review on this today. Got 6 hours on it, 135 k's. Quite good. I changed the oil in it at just a little bit over 5 hours, like the manual suggests. The dents on the guard already, bit of spooge running down the exhaust. Might need the idle up a fraction. Marcus?
New pipe?
No.
That came on it?
Came on it, yep.
Some scratchy bits already?
Yeah, scratchy bits already.
Oh well, at least it works.
Yeah, so far it seems pretty good.
Does that come standard or you put that on?
No, I put that on, yeah. And I put a slave cylinder guard on the slave cylinder on the clutch.
Yeah, right.
As well. So just to try and protect it. Yeah.
So you've been riding up the hills?
Not much. No. Yeah.
So just last Wednesday and back here again?
Last Wednesday, that's it. Yeah.
Just looking at the in underneath your guard there, it's chock-a-block full of mud.
Yes, I know.
I'm wondering if that makes it hold heat or...
Yeah, a bit lazy. I should have taken the guard off. So it's quite agile. I was able to run around the outside of that little water filled rut then. It's rough in the corner. I'm going to try and just natural. So even those little roots tracks quite nicely across. Doesn't deflect off them. So the suspension too, I run it at just its standard clicker setting. Hey, turned in a bit early, I had to dab that. Last bike I rode was my Honda 450L, and the front brake has a lot more modulation and more lever travel. So a couple of times today I pulled the front brake on too hard. Oh, dug him down. Bit of trail grooming. The screen keeps turning itself off. fork bleeders on. Good man.
Hey?
You good?
Yeah, he's always flat on him when he hit the rock.
Yeah.
Doctor.
Did he?
How's the new bike going?
New bike's good.
Get used to it?
Yeah, I haven't ridden it since last week. I was on the Honda on the weekend.
Bit different to the 4-stroke?
Yep. I was the new Honda suspension's fucking incredible.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just amazing.
I'd ride a Honda again. Honda was the best bike I ever had. I reckon I had a 2008 Honda 450.
Yeah,
That was the best bike.
yeah. Like this suspension's good as well, but it's just not quite as plush everywhere as the Honda. The Honda's just, you know, like you run through this, you don't feel a thing, you know.
Right.
Yeah, no deflection.
Yeah.
You know, you land a big water bar and it just absorbs it. But this is much lighter and turns in much better.
Does it? Yeah.
But it just, I've locked the front brake up twice.
On this?
Yeah, just now. The Honda, the lever's got a lot more modulation.
Yep.
This is sort of on, off, and it feels a little bit wooden, you know, at the at it's a take-up point.
Yeah, righto. What's this thing?
It's GPS mount.
Yeah, right.
But I bought the wrong bolt, so I was going to put a bolt through the, you know, through the handlebar clamp.
Yep.
And I didn't pay attention, and the bolt came with, you know, 25mm thread, not 65mm thread.
Yep.
So I ran all the wires for it.
Yep.
And then I put an SAS connector on the battery, so I can plug it into my you know, just my trickle charger.
Yeah.
I've got one on all the bikes just so that, you know, if they're sitting there for a while, they, you know, keep the battery in good nick.
Yep.
It just sort of leaned on the back of the seat, opened the throttle, and it just sort of picked the front end up and, you know, just lost it out of that little trench. See that rock in the corner of that corner. Corner, eh? I was just move my weight around and position myself through those little rock fields. I just let it walk down that little bank there on the rear wheel, and the front up that little wall on that berm. Hey. All good. Recording. slow, but ran the front around the puddle just to smooth it out a little bit, stop making it so rough. You can always tell when I'm concentrating because I stop talking. Little tripod turn then, just sort of put my foot on the ground and a little bit of unweighting the fork. Managed to just lift it out through that little rut. That sort of little motor rattle, I reckon, is when I'm lugging it, it's just a little bit too much. Managed to just sort of run across those tree roots there, which didn't deflect. So